Good morning and welcome to English class. Today we are going to start unit number 3, A Chinese Play of Nelson Pupil Book 4. As this is a play, there are two scenes in the whole play. First scene is at the riverbank just after sunrise, and there are two characters in the whole play. Character number 1 is the most important and dishonest judge, Judge Wang. When the people of the town had disagreements, they would go to the judge. He would decide who was in the right and who was in the wrong. He was, however, not a fair judge. He would only help people if they had agreed to pay him lots of money. On the other hand, second character is a very talented painter who visits the town. One day, the judge arrives carrying a roll of white paper. When the painter was painting at the bank of the river, the judge said to the painter, "Good morning, sir. I want you to paint a picture for me. I will pay you handsomely." The painter had heard all about this judge and how he cheats people. He thought to himself, "I could spend a lot of time in this painting, but probably not get paid." Then he replied, "I am sorry, Judge, but I am very busy at the moment, and even if I had time, it would be really expensive. You could not afford it." When the judge listened to this reply, he said impatiently to the painter, "I have lots of money. I can afford anything. Now, no more excuses. Here is the paper. Get on with it." Later that day, in the second scene, the painter is standing in a beautifully furnished room in the judge's house. The painter said, "Good afternoon, Judge Wang. I have finished the painting." The judge replied, "Wonderful, wonderful. I can't wait to see it." The judge snatches the paper from the painter's hand and unrolls it. He reads, "A herd of goats on grass." The painter said, "That's the title of the painting." The judge said, "Well, yes, but where's the painting?" The painter said, "Well, the goats had a good feed and all the grass is gone." The judge said, "So where are the goats?" The painter said, "As there was nothing left to eat, the goats left to find another field." The judge got angry and he said angrily, "I am not paying you for the blank sheet of paper." Leaving smilingly, the painter said, "I didn't expect to get paid anyway." So here is the complete play. I hope you have all enjoyed it. Now let's have a review. Here, few blanks will appear and you have to guess the correct word for the blanks. Let's start. The first blank is, the first scene is at dash. Yes, students? Where was the first scene of the play? Very good. Good. The first scene is at the river bank just after the sunrise. Let's see another one. The second scene is at dash. Where is the second scene? Yes. Good. The second scene is at the furnished room in the judge's house. Very good, students. Now you have to guess the characters of the play. Judge Wang was an important but dash. So, how was Judge Wang? We have done this. Good. Yes, Judge Wang was an important but dishonest person. Very good. Fourth one is, the painter was a very dash. Yes. How was the painter? The painter was a very, yes, the painter was a very talented man. Very good. The painter said he is very busy because he knew that the Judge Wang will dash. Yes, students. Do you remember the conversation? What was the painter thinking? The painter said he is very busy because he knew that the Judge Wang will. What will he do? Yes, he knew that the Judge Wang will not pay him. Very good. Now here's the last one. The painter didn't expect to get paid because he heard about how the judge dash. What was the thing that Judge Wang used to do with the people of the town? Yes, students? Correct. The painter didn't expect to get paid because he heard about how the Judge Wang cheats people. Very good. That was a very good performance. I hope you all have understood the whole play. That's all from my side. Thank you.